Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix your sun damage or oxidized tail. This is a tail that's from the 2012 Prius plug-in. I'm going to wait until the sun goes down before I do this. I don't want to damage it because you don't want to wax it. You're going to use this. I got this black turtle wax color cure. Polish it. This is hide the scratches and improve color. Hard shell finish. Easy on and easy off. Okay. So since it's black, and then I want to use this to color match it. So let's wait until the next clip, and then I'll show you guys when the sun goes down. Okay. Alright YouTube, so we got to use a bucket of water and a sponge to wipe out all this dirt first, okay, before we try to restore it and make it brand new again. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like after I dry it up. Still looks nasty. So as you can see the haze and all the scratch lines, so we try to use that wax to buff it out and see. As you can see, it look much better, but you can still the scratch line. So I'm gonna buff it out and see how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna try to put like an armor and see, but actually it looks much better with the coating of armor. But you see, you can still see the scratch line here. So I'm gonna give one more coat, the wax and armor mixed together. See if we bring back the original condition or make it look much more better. Okay, so I'll show you guys toward the end. Well, this is the best I can do right now, but as you can see, some of them still have scratch line right here and stuff. So I might have to use a sandpaper, fine sandpaper, sand it down, and maybe paint it with a clear coat. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel again, do so, yeah, and turn on the bell for notification. Share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop it in the comments down below. Alright? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.